Good morning, kindergarten. It is Mrs. Merritt, and today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 7. Our objective or our goal is I can model and write numbers 10 through 20 as number bonds. So today we're going to work with a bunch of different team numbers and show that we understand that a team number is made up of one 10 and some ones. For today, you will probably want something to write with and something to write on, or if you can pause me and go find 20 of something around your house, that would work too. When you're ready, unpause me and let's get started. All right, so like I said, we are going to start to realize that a team number is a 10 and some ones left over. So we have something called place value that we're going to learn. And in these problems, there's a tens place and a ones place. The tens place is always on the left when there's two numbers, and the ones place is on the right, which is right here. So if this 1 is in the tens place, guess what that means? It means it turns into a 10. Wow. So it's on the left, I see, and look at, when I take that number apart, look at, watch again. Okay, so what number is this right here? 15. If I take it apart, 15 is really 1 10, and how many ones? 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a number bond to show that team number. They did our whole for us. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did they get our whole right? Yeah. So they got our whole right. But now we've got to figure out how we're going to split up these two parts. How many blue are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So I'm going to move 5 blue over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many red would there be? We have 5, so let's move that over there. How many red are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there are 10 red up there. So I'm going to move these 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I don't know if they're all going to fit. 9, 10. Does that match what we said? Yeah. So we didn't split up 15 just any old way. We made it one group of 10 and some ones left over. So when we talk about team numbers, there's different ways to split them up, but today we're going to focus on making it one group of 10 and some ones left over. Okay, now for this problem, what I want you to do is I want you to think and show me just how you would split these numbers, or this number up, not these numbers, this number up. Does anyone know this number right here? 18. Very good. I want you to split these up, these red and these blue, split them up into a way that shows a group of 10 and some ones left over. Go ahead, you can draw that, or if you have your things like some people are using macaroni or Legos or anything like that. If you want to split the number 18 up into 2 parts, however you want to do it, if you want to draw it, whatever you want to do, go ahead and split that number up for me and then unpause me. All right, so let's see if we split them up the same way. So we could look at our picture here, but I'm going to focus on this number right here. I know that my tens place is on the left side. So I know there's going to be 10 of something. So let's put 10 on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I think there's going to be, these are my ones. How many are these? 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. So I have 8 here, and oh, my 10 was hiding. Okay. And then I can look up here at this part and see that I have 10 red and 8 blue. So I'm going to just put this number back up here. This is our tens place. Whenever you see it, you know that there's a hidden 0. So there's always going to be 10 there. And then there are some ones left over, which in this case was 8. All right, this is your challenge problem. What you're going to do is I want you to figure out how we're going to separate our 2 parts, and then I want you to draw them for me and complete the number bond. So I want the whole, a part, and a part. Go ahead, pause me. You can show it to me, or you can draw it, however you want to show it to me. You can show me with manipulatives like those pasta or the Legos. You can draw it. You can just write the numbers. However it works for you, go ahead. All right, so let's see if we got the same answer. Here's my tens place, so what is hidden there? What's hidden under this 2? A 0. I know there's going to be how many over here? 10. Because this should be a 10. Yep. See? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do I have left over? Just 2. Very good. 1, 2. What is my whole, or what is this number when the 0 is hidden? Very good. When the 0 is hidden, it makes 12, which is really 1 10 and 2 ones, which we showed right here. Very good. For such a tricky lesson, you did an amazing job. I know it's kind of confusing sometimes, but we're going to start. For such a tricky lesson, you guys did such an amazing job. I am so proud of you. For your exit ticket, it is right here. Sometimes they gave you just the numbers, but now we know it. The hidden 0 really just makes a group of 10, which is super cool. And then they gave you some 10 frames down here to create number bonds with. And they gave you 2 on each problem, because to get to 20, we need 2 10 frames. So I won't get to see you until next Wednesday, because Friday is Free Fun Friday, which is super exciting. And Monday is Memorial Day. But next Wednesday, we are going to do a Kahoot to show that we know how to make number bonds with base 10 and some leftover ones. I love you. I miss you. You guys are doing such an amazing job, and I cannot wait to see all your hard work. Have a great day.